So now let's see how we can go ahead and create out symbols inside of Affinity. So to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, grab in some shapes. So I'm just going to go around over here, drag in this one. I'm going to go ahead and drag in this shape as well, let's say for example, and apply another color to it right here. So you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and bring the layer up right here. So you can see that I have a design right here, a pretty basic one, but you can see that I have a design. Let me just go ahead and take this donut tool, and then I'm going to hold shift to make sure it's perfect circle. Let me just go ahead and keep it right here, and then fill it out with a color. So you can see that this is the design I have. So let's say I want to save out this design so that I can go ahead and use it in the future. So to do that, I'm going to select all of it, and I'm going to right click right here, and first of all turn it into a group. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I can do is I can turn it into a symbol. So to go ahead and do that, I need to go ahead and access the symbol window. So I'm going to go around over here, and you can see that I have the window right here. You can see that I got many different panels, and under the vector window option, you can see that symbols is an option right here. So now what you can do is you can select this particular group and then click on create. And once you do that, the symbol is added in. You can go ahead and add in as many symbols as you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in a random other symbol right here. I can go ahead and then let me just go ahead and group it. I can select it and create a symbol out of it right here. So now if I were to go ahead and click and drag this out, you can see that I can go ahead and bring in this symbol out right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and bring out the symbol group right here, just like this. I can go ahead and resize it and even rotate it, place it wherever I want right here, just like this. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change the color of the symbol. So I already have made a symbol, as you can see right here, and sync is turned on, meaning if I were to double click right here, select out any shape and make change to a shape, you can see that the same change gets reflected on all of the symbols. So I can go around over here, select out this shape, let's say for example, select this out right here, select out, let's say, green color, and you can see that all of it actually changes out just like that. So that is simply how you can go ahead and then create and use symbols inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.